Today, we're revealing the top 5 must AI tools that are transforming creativity and productivity. Let's dive in. In today's digital age, innovation is key, and nothing is driving that innovation quite like artificial intelligence, AI. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or tech enthusiast, AI is reshaping how we approach tasks, from content creation and video editing to music composition and graphic design. At Future-Forge, we're here to unlock the latest breakthroughs in AI that are revolutionizing the creative process. In this article, we're diving into the top 5 must AI tools that are setting the standard for productivity and creativity. If you're ready to explore the next level of AI innovation and supercharge your workflow, read on. 1. AI-enhanced video editing. Revolutionize your content production. If you're a content creator, you know how time-consuming video editing can be. But with AI-enhanced video editing, that process is about to get a whole lot faster. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's Sensei and Descript bring automation to the editing room, allowing you to create professional quality videos in a fraction of the time. AI helps you automate complex tasks like color grading, sound balancing, and even cutting unnecessary clips, so you can focus on creativity and storytelling. But it's not just about speeding up the process. AI also opens up new possibilities. Imagine having AI suggest the best cuts for dynamic pacing or even generating subtitles automatically. These tools help you maintain the highest production value, even with limited resources. Whether you're producing YouTube content, short films, or TikTok reels, AI can elevate your work with efficiency and creativity. 2. AI-driven graphic design. Create stunning visuals instantly. For years, graphic design was the domain of skilled designers, but thanks to AI-powered tools like Canva and Looka, anyone can create professional-looking designs in minutes. These tools use machine learning to suggest design elements, color schemes, layouts, and typography, based on current trends. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or branding assets, AI-driven design tools make it easy for non-designers to achieve stunning results. The beauty of AI-driven design is its versatility. You can start with a simple idea, and AI will take it to the next level by generating polished, aesthetically pleasing designs. Advanced tools even allow for logo creation, brand identity kits, and complex illustrations, all without requiring advanced graphic design skills. For entrepreneurs and small business owners, this eliminates the need to hire expensive designers, making high-quality visuals accessible to everyone. 3. AI-generated music. Compose soundtracks in seconds. In the world of content creation, music sets the tone. Whether you're producing a podcast, YouTube video, or social media ad, AI-generated music tools like Avia and Amper Music make creating soundtracks easier than ever. These tools allow non-musicians to generate royalty-free, high-quality tracks, providing customizable options for mood, tempo, and instruments to suit your project perfectly. AI-generated music ensures that your content sounds professional without the hassle of licensing or hiring composers. 4. AI-powered content creation. Boost your productivity. For content creators, writing can be one of the most time-consuming tasks. But with tools like Jasper and Copy.ai, you can generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content at lightning speed. These AI tools assist with everything from brainstorming ideas to drafting entire blog posts, video scripts, or social media captions, ensuring your content is optimized for search engines and reaches a broader audience. This is a game changer for anyone trying to keep up with the constant demand for fresh content. 5. AI animation. Bring your ideas to life. Animations add a dynamic element to your content, but creating them traditionally takes time and expertise. Enter AI animation tools like Animate and Runway, which are making animation more accessible to creators at all levels. With pre-made templates and AI-driven effects, creating professional quality animations and motion graphics is now possible without any advanced skills. Whether you're working on explainer videos or eye-catching ads, AI-powered animation can help bring your creative vision to life effortlessly. At Future-a-Forge, we're all about exploring the cutting edge of technology, and AI tools are undeniably transforming how we create. The top 5 must-AI tools we've explored: AI-enhanced video editing, AI-powered graphic design, AI-generated music, AI-powered content creation, and AI animation, are already making waves in the creative world. They're helping creators, marketers, and businesses achieve professional-level results with minimal effort. Each of these tools can streamline your workflow, save you time, and elevate the quality of your work. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, AI is here to help you forge a path to success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Future-a-Forge. Got a favorite AI tool we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep forging ahead with innovation.